Greetings and welcome to week 5 of our Mapping Our World course. Joseph Kursky here, your instructor. This is an exciting week. Every week with maps is exciting, isn't it? And what's not to love? This week we'll dig deep into space, place, and time, building on our earlier discussion. We will touch on terms such as topology, and topophilia. Then, since maps are all about where, donde, right? Where. We will investigate location, how it is defined, and some key formats of latitude and longitude that you will encounter in the future. We will discuss relative versus absolute location. You will do some hands-on work in ArcGIS Online, ArcGIS Online, ArcGIS Online. That is the ESRI brand of GIS, running in the cloud, software as a service. All you need is a web browser to access it. We will determine location or position with that tool, ArcGIS Online. We will calculate drive times and straight line distance and more. ArcGIS Online is a powerful web-based GIS, and you used it a bit earlier in this course with those web mapping applications you were investigating. Those applications are based on ArcGIS Online as a platform. Now, platform implies that you can build on it. That's the exciting part about modern GIS. It's a platform. Since you will encounter some other location formats in this course and in your future work, also related to your work in map projections, we will investigate UTM, Universal Transverse Mercator, the State Plane Coordinate System, the Military Grid Reference System, the U.S. National Grid, and what three words as some examples of other location formats. Now, folks, accurate maps depend on an understanding of the shape of the Earth and its size. So how do we determine the true shape and size of the Earth? We don't have a big tape measure, right, that we can wrap around the planet. And so we need to discuss such things as datums and ellipsoids, getting into just a bit of that. Whenever I want maps, all I have to do is GIS, GIS, GIS. Yes, indeed. Okay, folks, see you in week 5.